This is the COIB Red Therapy Belt. It comes in a number of sizes, 2 to be exact. 22 by 7 inches, 26 by 8 by 3. As we open up the product to show you what you get inside, it has a controller, USB brick to plug in corded. The therapy belt in small, and a user's manual to go over. The belt needs to be put together with a couple of straps and the cord. The USB controller measures over 6 feet long. As we plug in the brick to the AC, it can be plugged into a 5-volt portable power bank and taken wherever. Without it being plugged into the unit, we have off. We have a 5D joystick of push buttons. We're going to set up by turning on, increasing it to level 5, and decreasing back to level 1. We have a timer, 25, 30, on, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. We have a center button that goes 10H and 40H. The instructions are right here of every single feature that we just showed. Let's set up the band. Locate the plug to plug in. Unwrap the Velcro system. Place around. We have a pocket so we can put in the controller or a power bank. We have a strap that we need to place on. Simply place on like so. As we demonstrate and show you the lighting system, this is the on button, level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the intensity of the red LEDs. The pulsation of 10H and 40H, the increase, and back. And of course the timer, being on or for 5 minutes. We want to give therapy to the leg. We grab, stretch, and wrap, and we're able to plug in. We're going to give therapy to the arm. We're able to wrap around like so. We're going to wrap this around the waist. We're going to set up by placing on the extended strap just before the portable opening for a power bank and the controller. We're going to plug in our cable and plug in to the power bank. And then we're going to wrap it around our waist. It could fit a nice large waist. We have the unit in the on position, pressing on, and the level, and 10H, the pulse. This is the red therapy. While going about, you're able to place in the cable to the back area and be portable. This is the red therapy belt for legs, waist, arms, shoulders, and more. For further information about red therapy, check online. The product is able to go around different areas of the body. For non-stop, on. For timed, press on the timer, 20 minutes. For pulsing, fast and slow, pick the speed you want, 10H, 40H. Simply plug it into this brick that is supplied, and you have non-stop power for red therapy. The red therapy is a dual wave length. It has 6 timers, on, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It has 5 intensity levels and 3 levels, 1 at default to be on, and 2 speeds, 10H and 40H. It's just not for humans, it's for pets and animals as well to wrap around for therapy in red light. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for, in a portable to a AC area of 5 volts of red therapy. From COIB, 2-size belts for your needs. With the smart controller, 5-volt brick, the waistband, and actual red therapy unit. Hope you enjoy your product from COIB.